Hello everyone. In today's video, I will show you how to remove Google Authenticator from your ByBit account. First, log into your ByBit account on the website or mobile application. Next, navigate to the Account and Security section in your account dashboard. From there, look for the two-factor authentication option. Now under the Google Authenticator section, click on Disable. You will be prompted to enter your current 2FA code to verify the action. Now once you enter the code, Google Authenticator will be removed from your account. You can set up a new authentication method if needed. And that's it. You have successfully removed Google Authenticator from your ByBit account. Now if you found this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe.